So, good afternoon, everyone. Um, it's my pleasure again to meet you. We have one semester na to ang i-accomplish. So, right now, we have to continue what we have learned for the first semester. So, as we agreed on our first semester that we will going to review all the programming constructs, basic constructs of, or basic fundamentals or basic functions of programming. So, that is why we review all the available programming constructs in in C++. So right now we will go directly to object-oriented programming. So I hope you've learned na refresh mo sa what we did. I know there are some of you na we are not friends and friends with Sir Julius, and I see your story, your post that I never forget that one, that unending activities daw in object-oriented programming. We have a lot of activities nagsunod. Once na makasugod na og hatag og discussion si Sir Benhart, we have a lot of activities after that, di ba? So basically, what I am going here in our class for ITS 27 is that to minimize the activities that I will going to give you, and I will just to maximize all the possible kanang core concept of object-oriented programming. So we are refrained for giving you a lot of activities since you have 10 subjects enrolled in this semester. So, assuming that all of those 10 core subjects you have enrolled is tagan po kay mga subjects and activities that set from you. So, mag-overload ng mga students. Then, nowadays, students are more depressed because of social media. So, naiuban na magpakamatay na, magunsa pa dira. So, daghan. So, that we are going to limit that cases. So, first that we're going to discuss is our meeting schedule. Okay, so upon giving you the poll, so what time we meet, so you responded it with this time. So my question to you, is it okay that we will just meet in a group setting for including the three sections, or I will be meeting you per section. Alre is talking. Can you proceed? Okay, there are some non-classic 4 to 5. Yes, yes, I guess. So, yeah. 4 to 5 is okay for section A, I think, or section B, because yes, B, and then okay, section C is 2 to 3, right? 2 to 3, 2 to 3, A, 2 to 3, and 11 to 12, and 11 to 12 is section C. Okay. Okay, so after you talk, please mute your mic so I can. Okay, guys, okay lang ba? After you talk, please mute your mic. Like Horola. Okay. Thank you, Horolan. So now, before we will solve that issue, how for your conflict for this time. So the meeting schedule will be twice a month. So we only have twice a month. So it should be every first and second Tuesday of the month. That is my my suggestion to you. And then every meeting there will be a new lesson. Okay, so expected that there will be only two topics or two lessons for every month. And now, then our platform is again your our Google Meet. So we tend to use it last semester, so we're going to use it on the second semester again. And then I'm still also recording while we are doing this session. I am recording it so I can upload it later on YouTube. For those students that are not able to join this session, they can have the opportunity to watch it on my YouTube channel and review. Oh no, watch our what we discuss or what I discussed this meeting. So every meeting there will be a recorded and uploaded video on YouTube. So, going back to the things na conflict, may I ask if every day ba sila mag-meet ninyo? What is your preferred schedule? Yeah, okay. That's great. How about the others? Concerns, conflict with these 4 to 5? Let me know your side. 4:10. Um, So you can just jump into or I will just talk with Ma'am Hazel about that. So or sige lang, are you going to meet every day with Ma'am Ansola or karon lang pod? Karon lang pod. Okay, so we cannot purely decide so kung unsa man. Pero um we can just arrange down that, no? Since I have already prepared a recorded video. So kita lang mo adjust because some of the instructors are not having this recorded video. So you are obliged to join their meeting. If conflict mo sa COA, you can go to their meeting because once na you don't attend their meeting, you don't have any option or chances to to rewatch your discussion. In my case, I am extending it so when you are not you cannot attend on this session like this, so you can have YouTube or recorded video watch it in YouTube. So walay problema sa ako. So ilaha lang. So if in case unta that there will that time like there will be conflict, please choose to join the other instructors. Parang kay kamo makabalik ra man mo sa kuha. Okay, so I all instructors in CAS are already have a meeting. The department chairs, all the department chairs from social science, languages, natural sciences, and mathematics, including our department, computer science and information technology, agreed on man to na we will just meet twice per month, and every meeting there would be a lesson. So the same thing ni siya. So again, there is a possibility that there will be a possibility that magka-conflict with Jutta because of the number of subjects you have enrolled this semester. So in my case, in my as you can see on my screen, is it possible to meet every first and third Tuesday of the month with this schedule 4 to 5, or I will just meet you per section? Okay, okay lang ni Horolan. How about the others? Tay, Taysa. Uh, we will just to clarify. Asa man dapita na okay. We will meet in all sections from A to C. We will you will join as one and meet 4 to 5. Are you is that the okay, or we will just meet per section on your specific schedule found in your load slip? Uh, uh, can we have a one person, so one at a time lang, guys? Yan, so out of 44 something attending with this meeting, um can you comment, can you comment up? Okay. Okay, we will just decide. Okay, one question only. This is no question. Are you favor joining the three sections? So if you are favored, yes. And if you're not favored, no. So unsay trend na to diri sa section, mo ni ato ang kwan, majority wins. Is it okay? Fav favored. Okay. My question is, are you favored, no, for joining the three sections and meet 4 to 5? Yes or no? See, if yes, three sections will be joined. Pero og man no, per section ang ato ang meeting. Okay, please do not double send, ha. Send it. Okay. Okay, as we can see, we have a lot of no. Okay, Claire Joy, can you mute your mic? I can hear your I can hear the background noise. Can you mute your mic? Claire Joy, are you listening? Okay. Can you mute your mic? Okay, so upon checking in our chat section, I see a lot of no, no sir, no, no, no. We only have a few are answering yes. So, what's man, sir? Submit ka grades? Direkta lang sa registrar, sir. Mm. So, to make the story short, we will I will meet you per section uh, during your specific time. So I will meet section A at 2 to 3, and will meet section B as in 4 to 5, and I will meet section C in 11 to 12 every first Monday and no, every first and third Tuesday of the month. Are we good? Okay, please. Um, okay. 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 Okay, so again, every meeting there will be a new lesson, and we will meet through Google Form, and there will be a recorded or uploaded recorded session. If in case now di mo ka-attend, you can see it on YouTube. Okay? So attendance is a must. There are two kinds to get your attendance score. It's either attending it on the live session, okay, or you can just watch it on YouTube. Okay, there will be an activity attendance if you're going to watch it on YouTube. Okay, so meeting schedule is okay. Again, we will meet every first, third Tuesday of the month um, through Google Classroom and Google Classroom. Okay. So again, since now we are in April, we have the second month, a second week. So wala na tag usa ka lesson. So that is the thing that we were going to uh, adjust um, on this month. Okay. So Clearjoy, please always check your mic. Sometimes mo on ra jud siya. Okay. So continue. Every meeting, this is what you're going to expect. There will be a pre-assessment. We have a lesson or topic in OOP, a post-assessment, and assignment, and we have project. So what is a pre-assessment? So because along the way, I will be giving you the list of topics that you are going to we are going to take this semester. So I want you to study it first since we don't have any time. Every lesson consists of subtopics. So I'll be giving you the entire lesson for you to study first before I discuss. So you have now a little knowledge about the topic. So before we start our session, um, one day before that session, I will be giving you an assessment um, through Google Form. So I will check your capability if you are studying first on our topic. So parehas tang nag-study. So let me check if nagbasa-basa pa mo, you are doing like a job of a student that you can you read it you read or you know the topic before I discuss, so I can easily discuss. If you have already confusion about the topic, maybe I can only expound it and solve what is your problem. Dili lang katong when we meet, I will you have it the new topic, so murag loading sa inyo na part, so it makes our discussion dragging. Okay, so we have the lesson proper like this, and we have a post assessment. So because after every meeting, I will prepare an assessment for you to answer, to test if you are really listening in our discussion. So after that, you have an assignment. You are going to work an activity on a certain topic in object-oriented programming. So, and also a project. Similarly, assignment and project is the same, but project is because time to time we will going to compile some projects that will lead to a particular program. So, mag piece by piece i-develop nato, and then it will soon lead to a specific program that you are going to be proud of, that you are working on that program. So every meeting, again, you are going to expect, okay, pre-assessment, a lesson or a topic, and a post-assessment, and assignment and project. Okay. So again, assessments through Google Form. Okay, katong inyong gigaman, inyong you tried to fill out your attendance for this meeting. That is Google Form. So all the assessments are through Google Form, and assignment and projects through Google Classroom. Okay, so Google Classroom lang. So lesson learned also for me, and I am going to adjust is I will be directly time to time when there will be a deadline. I will directly check. So what happened is for first semester, nagulpihan mig check. I give you a lot of activities, so we check and we check. So what happened? It takes time. So right now, my resolution in my for myself is when there is a deadline, also when you are already finished your assignments and project, I will be directly check it so that you can also know asa mo dapita sa'yo pod. Okay? So again, we have I will add an activity every week, and this activity is for fun. Okay, so this you are going to register everyone. already registered with this website. So this is a website, so you can use it through phone or through desktop or laptop. So for now, they don't have an Android application. So this is code.org. So it is a fun environment where you can play. While playing, you are learning code. Okay, in US, children are already taught computer science. So mga bata dito, they know how to really create programs by just doing a game. Okay, so uh, I will give you a short overview about what is code.org. So before I proceed, is there any here body here knows already what is code.org? So I can parang kamo na mo tudlo sa uban yung mga classmates. Is it new to you all? Okay, please chat a comment if you are new. Yes, if you are new, and no if you already play with this game. So let me see the trend. If you are new with the code.org. So yes, new, new, yes, okay, yes. Also, I see a lot of responses. New, yes, okay, new, yes, okay, oh, yes, yes, new, yeah, 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 okay, okay. So, there is none of you already tried this game, okay? So, I want you to do to register. No, first, I have a teacher account. So in here, um, I have a teacher account for code.org. Every week we will be have an yes, this one. Okay, you can see here a login code. Okay, I already posted after this session. I will be an there will be an assignment for you to work on. So how you are going to register. So in here I have three sections for OOP. So we have section A, section B, section C, and have different login code. The same thing what you did on your Google Classroom. So your first activity is a dance party. Okay. So you are going to create, play a game, and just play a game, and then you are going to assign or make that cartoon dance through code. So I will be giving you this login code. So assuming that I am a student, I will try to register. So again, first is open a web browser and then type code.org. So once you are here, this is the homepage of the website of the code.org. First thing you are going to do is go to the sign in button. Okay, sign in button. You can click that one. And after that, you have a lot of options that available in the page. You can create your account if you don't have an account. You can use Google as your to continue. But I want you to concentrate on this section where you have to enter a section code. So remember, as I uh, shown it to you a while ago, that there is a login info. This is then the section code that I will be given to you. So once I shared it to you, that is the time that you are going to use it here for your section. Okay, for example, I am enrolled with section A. So this is the code for section A. I will just copy because I will be sharing it to you, and I will be okay. Where is the code? Okay, I will be pasting it here. Then click go. So register to section is something like that. And now next you're going to do is to fill up this registration form. First is always um, put your real name on your display name. Okay, for example, I will, for example, that name. So make sure that that is your name so I can record it, I can identify it. So then I will use my name, my email, for example, Benhart. Okay, your exact email, guys, so you can secure your account. So make sure that that email is valid and is working, and also that you have an access for that email. And password, you can have your password, okay, and you have your age, okay, and then your gender. So that's it. So once you have now ready for fill up your form, you go click the register. So once you have registered, as you can see, you already have the dance party. Okay, so we have 10 stages that you are going to complete, and you have to make it fun. So malingaw raman eh. So there is an instructions time to time, the level, whatsoever. So started, in progress, completed, okay, not applicable. So there is a status. So in my end, I can also see what is your progress. So in my end, I can see the progress of my students. So it's learning coding while playing. Okay, so you can now uh, click this progress one, and there is an instruction. Okay, you can watch the instruction na lang on later on for you guys. So there is a problem that you're going to solve. Okay, there is this is what we call the workspace. This is now the tools, the blocks that you're going to use, and this is now the screen. Now, you can have the instruction, drag and make a new cut at the center, block into the workspace and connect it inside the setup. So this is the setup. Going back to the programming, we have this the main function. So what you're going to do based on the instruction, you can just drag it block into the workspace. This is the workspace in the white area. This is the workspace. And connect it inside the setup. So what we're going to do is just drag and connect it here. Okay, it will snap. Okay, so then that is only the instructions that we're going to do. Then what we're going is if the instruction is correct, you can click it run. Okay, congratulations, you completed the puzzle one by just doing that. So as you can see here, there is okay another video. So another instructions for you guys. So what we're doing here is we are just playing, but at the same time, if we are going to click here on this area, show code, we can see the codes, what really happened on the animation side. So it's fun and enjoyable because not like on an actual programming class where it's get boring. You can only see black screen, white text, and so on. Here, we can have like a children that you can see visual on your work. So I want you to have finished it and do something, learn something from it. And once you're finished, that is your I will grade you for that specific week. So every week you have one activity. You are going to accomplish this one. So any questions? I will just let you explore this code.org environment for you to enjoy and learn while enjoying. You have learned programming also. Any question? Any questions? While we don't have questions, we will just proceed to level two. We have when okay. Okay, so the blacklist, you can run codes, press arrow and buttons, and the cats do clap. Okay, the cats will clap, or you can two. Okay, so you can have make a new cat. Okay, we can snap it out. Okay, okay, as you can see, a news code. So you can drag it if you don't need it. So there is something here to solve. Parang you learn. So while waiting for your questions. Wala questions, okay lang ninyo. Nasabtanan niyo na this is your weekly activity to accomplish playing while learning programming. Grisel, what? Sige lang, wait sa. Grisel, what is your question? You can use cell phone. You can drag it on your cell phone. Yeah. Yeah, there is no app, but you can use Google Chrome. You open it Google Chrome and type code.org. I tried it uh, this morning. It works. So drag and drop raman gyapon siya. Yes, after this meeting, there will be an assignment on uh, I will just give an instruction to you guys on our Google Classroom how you are going to access it and also the code. I already prepared it. Only need to do is just to assign it for you later on. You can see the assignment on Google Classroom about this activity, joining this code.org nara dito parang for more instruction. Okay, so additional additional kuan lang ninyo ni additional task for you for weekly task for you to really I want you to learn programming. Okay, there are some of you also napudi uban nagalibog how programming works. So segue lang nato ni. So any question for this? If you have questions, if you are latecomers, we only have 1 hour to accomplish man good. So there will be a recorded video right now, and I will upload it on YouTube later, so you can rewatch it na lang. Anya. Okay, so any question here for saku.org? So attendant. Okay, so okay, Christian, question? Yes. Dili ra. Oh, yes. Dili siya bugat. Dili lang siya. Maral siya og Facebook lang pod. Okay. Okay, sige. So now we will have a grading system. Okay. So attendance in Google Meet and for YouTube, we have 10%. Weekly activity for code.org, it's 10%. Assessment, pre and post assessment, we have 15%. Assignments in Google, assignments found in Google Classroom, sorry. That is Google Classroom, not Google Assessment. Google Classroom is 15%. Projects found on Google Classroom also 20%. Major exams can found in Google Form and also in Google Classroom. Sub 30%. So a total of 100%. How your grades will be call it sum up. Okay, I know you have already grades for OOP. So that's how I also get it. Wala na to naging mata-mata based on your inputs. I process it and you get your output. IPO lang. Okay? So any question with your grading system? Okay, so if there is no yes, if there is no question, I will let you see the topics available for us. Okay, so the assigned topic, okay, on my timeline, first week and second week of April is the introduction to object-oriented programming. But now, we are doing it for the second week. So, nalita gamay. So, the next, on the third week, next week, we will now go to encapsulation. There are subtopics of encapsulation. So, when you search in the internet encapsulation OOP, you have a lot of you have a subtopics in there. So abstraction, you can search in the internet also. Inheritance and polymorphism. So there are subtopics there. So 1 month lang na siya pero there are topics, subtopics. That is why I am giving you these lessons for you to study first para dili ta maglisod when we are now on the discussion part because we will going to make it actual. Okay, we will make codes and specific simple programs for you to internalize the processes and the core concepts of OOP. So um, we're kind of bit late for 1 week because of the task. I am preparing my our instructor's load. So karon pa ko na medyo na we call it na dili busy. That's why I met you today. So we will just adjust whatever happens. Okay? So any questions? Okay na. Okay. Okay. So I guess we have 426 right now. So I am planning to go directly with the lesson one. Is it okay since we agreed that we will explain it per section? So is it okay with you guys to stop for your orientation on these OOP topics? And we will just meet again on next Tuesday per section. Okay lang ninyo? We will just not follow first the schedule. Okay, we are still catching it up. So is it okay now? We will just start with our first lesson with the schedule that per section atong meet up. Is it okay? Or we will continue because I think 1 hour is not enough with this. So 1 hour is igo gid siya na 5:30 na tamhoman. So murag dili na siya good for you. Um, so is it okay na we will just meet next Tuesday with your specific time and tackle the lesson one? Ah, okay, if that is okay. What is that, Grabador? Okay ra? Okay. So if that is your suggestion, because as I see the time is not on our side, upon preparing this lesson, I we will take 1.5 hour for also we have a discussion and we also to provide a simple program. So mean we're going to let make it live a demo for you how you are going to make that particular topic. So, munang 30 minutes is not enough to finish this lesson one. So, I guess na also my suggestion is we will meet on Tuesday with your specific time for this lesson. So, Everybody agrees on that? Yes, okay. Okay, so if that is said, that is okay, um, I will just let you free for the remaining hours, and then we will just cut it off here. And I will say thank you for joining us for our class orientation. Before leaving, let me stop my presentation. No, you can just um, and then turn on your camera and then let me share screen. Uh, share screen sa na ako. At turn on your camera for I can share screen. Mo ni problema na mo ron, no? Sige miga mag screen us share screen me for us to really pamatuod na magkaklase me. Okay, there are some instructors that they're not doing their job. Mo ni problema. Okay? So, oh, kinahanglan gyud. Okay, okay. Sige, sige. Let me when I say um smile, that is the time that I will take pictures, ha? Is it okay? Okay, face reveal daw. Okay. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait sa, wait sa. O, pamalagi uban, o pamalagi ligo. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you for your time. We will just meet on Tuesday with our specific time. Guys, our specific time, section A for 2 to 3, section B 4 to 5, and section C 11 to 12. We will meet on that particular schedule. Before leaving it on our session for this afternoon, please res- uh, please fill up the form for the attendance so I can close it right now. All of you already done with the attendance? Okay, so tong wala pa, I will give you 10 minutes more. You can see on the chat section. It's on the upper part, so I will be commenting it right now. Murag, di na to makita nimo. I will just comment it right now. For those who already done with your attendance, you can now leave. Thank you for your presence for today. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye. Katurang mo na. You can now leave. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you. See you next meeting. Okay. Katong latecomers na nasa chat section. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The link is now on the chat section. Please lang. Do me a favor to fill up the form. Okay, guys. You may now leave. There are some still on here. Okay. Bye bye. I will be leaving and start the recording. Alas 4.